Hello YouTube, I just got done restoring this nice, old, unusual, double-headed hammer. Never seen one before, huh? That's because I made it. Let me grab the pieces here. This is just a 16-ounce rip hammer from Harbor Freight, Pittsburgh brand. Cut those up, and I plan on making some pry bars or something out of these. They're not going to go to waste. I may heat them and squeeze them together. I'll just throw it in the wood stove to heat it up and squeeze them together. When I was sanding on this, the head was throwing sparks, so even though I welded on here, used flux core amazingly. And I just took some sandpaper, a sanding wheel, because I'm trying to hide all the little defects. But if I'd used MIG, it'd probably been better. I mean, it only come up like a little hole there. The handle we're still working on. We drilled all the wedges out, so we filled it all in with Bondo, believe it or not. Can't get it off right now. We'll be sawing a slot and putting a wood wedge in it. We filled everything with Bondo, because we drilled to get both hammers apart. But nothing straight on it. It is not absolutely straight, because both hammers, the heads go like this away from here, and I had a jig set up on a flat piece of metal, and I had up against a piece of angle iron, and I had to put a penny in here on each side for a shim, so that's how much difference it went down from here. So each one was about equal. But my Sunday in the shop video, I will be redoing this varnished handle, and hopefully it comes out. The grain is not going the right way, trust me. It goes this way. Well, I looked through about 6 of them and picked the best 2, and they're not the same thickness. One hammer was thicker than the other one. It's hard to get a picture of it, but I think you can almost see where this is thicker over here. I just blended it to where it was good enough. But there you go. Maybe I should have saved this for April Fool's Day or something, but no, it's not going to be passed off as some rare thing on eBay. Sell it for hundreds of dollars or nothing. There you go. There'll be some pictures at the end showing how I marked it, used masking tape. This is probably like an inch, so I went like a ½ inch from the very edge of the hole, and you'll see like a line scribe. You'll see where I put the masking tape, and then went out and used my cutoff wheel. I'll take a picture of the label. I kind of tore it up, but I took a picture of the label so you can see exactly what hammer it is. So, thanks for watching, and we'll be showing you a little more of it in the next Sunday in the shop video. I do plan on using this, and it is heavier. It's supposed to be 16 ounce. It even felt heavier with the claw on it, but put these two together, oh boy, I will definitely be using this hammer. It will not be hung on the wall. This thing is got some heft to it. I swear it's up to over a 20-ounce hammer now. So, thanks for watching.